Hello everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Food Series, we're coming a little closer to home and making Saskatoon berry muffins. Saskatoons grow throughout Saskatchewan, and you can pick them about mid-July at U-Picks or find them on wild bushes, or you can sometimes find them in some grocery stores frozen. But if you can't find any, you can always replace the Saskatoons with blueberries. For this recipe, you will need some Saskatoons, flour, sugar, oil, baking powder, an egg, some butter, milk, salt, and cinnamon. Let's get started. Start by mixing together your dry ingredients. You will need 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix all your dry ingredients together. In a glass measuring cup, mix together your wet ingredients. Start with 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Use a fork to whisk these items together. Once your wet ingredients are well combined, add them to the dry ingredients and mix them together well. If you find the dough is a little dry when mixing, add a splash of milk to help everything combine. Once everything is mixed together well, add in 1 cup of fresh or frozen Saskatoon berries. Fold the berries into the dough so they'll be evenly dispersed. Once you're finished, set it aside. Grease a muffin tin using butter or cupcake liners. Using an ice cream scoop or a spoon, fill in your tins halfway full of muffin dough. Fill each tin until you run out of dough. Next, we'll make the topping for our muffins. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of butter cubed with 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix these items together with a fork until the butter is pea-sized. Before you bake your muffins, sprinkle the topping evenly over top of the muffins. Once you're finished, place your muffins into an oven at 400 degrees and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Once your muffin has cooled, it's ready to serve. This makes a great snack or welcome addition to any breakfast table. Thank you all so much for joining me for this installment of A to Z World Foods. This recipe took about 35 minutes to make and yields 12 muffins. You can find the written recipe in the video description below. I hope you can all join us for our next installment of A to Z World Foods, but until then, enjoy!